I'm André, I'm from Pforzheim, Germany, and today I would like to present you Resto View, my final project for CS50. It is a web-based app with Python, Flask, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and takes data in form of a CSV upload and renders this on a map and in a table. As you can see here, I have no data yet. So let's get some data. I'm using Business Explorer here to export leads into a CSV file from Google Maps, businesses, and I'm focusing now on restaurants. Okay, search for some restaurants. You can use the extension to export a lead list. Take also some restaurants in New York. Okay, export the list. To just briefly show you this export, a lot of data available. All right, now I can go ahead and upload these two files on my app. Will take a short moment. All right, then the other file. All right, and now I can have a look here at the list that has been created, a table that has been created from the data I just uploaded. I have here some dynamic buttons that allow me to toggle on and off the country. So if you have a bigger data set, you can see directly in which country the restaurants are. In addition to that, you have also a map. This map gives you an overview of the restaurants. For example, here in Singapore, if I zoom in, I get all these restaurants that I just uploaded, click on them, and then can also be directly directed to their website. As you saw when I opened the map, I got a view from the whole world here. If I want to be more specific, then I can go to my home page here and allow my user location permission. I want to, in this case, hide my location, but I can use, just for demonstration, the location from Singapore, take the latitude and longitude here. And if I set that as my location, I can go to the map and the map opens directly in Singapore. All right. And in addition to that, I can reset here my data set. If I just click this button, data has been deleted. And as you can see, no more data is available. This was Resto View, and this was CS50.